Peekaboo. Today we're going to be reading Pop-Up Peekaboo Space. Say hello to Daisy and Danny. They're on a mission to the moon. Can you find their space rocket? It's time for liftoff soon. Is their rocket behind the tower? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, lift off! Bye bye, Daisy and Danny. Look at that. That's so cool. Look at this rocket go. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Way up high go Daisy and Danny, whizzing along at a speedy pace. And as they pass a space station, they find something they can chase. What do they find by the space station? Peekaboo! It's a blue stripy rocket. Time for a race. Wow, look how cool that is. Peekaboo! So there's a red rocket, and he's gonna chase the blue rocket. Peekaboo! Inside the rocket's cockpit, our astronauts are strapped in tight. Who else is traveling with them, ready to help on this space flight? Let's look behind the metal door. Peekaboo! It's Rilo the robot! Look at that! Peekaboo! The moon is really close now. It's a great big ball of rock. Is something hiding behind it? Watch out! You might get a shock. Let's find the surprise. Peekaboo! It's an alien spaceship. The aliens are friendly but shy. They quickly fly away. Peekaboo! Our friends have made it to the moon. They see no aliens, big or small. Time to plant a flag in the dusty land and write a message from us all. What message shall we leave on the moon? To other life forms in space, friendly greetings from planet Earth. Peekaboo! 3, 2, 1. Peekaboo! You've got the robot, Danny and Daisy, the rocket, and the flag. Peekaboo! From planet Earth. There's planet Earth in case you're wondering what planet Earth looks like. That was Pop-Up Peekaboo Space. That was enjoyable. I love the pop-ups that come out. They're always so surprising and they look so nice. My favourite pop-up was definitely the rocket because look how high it goes. 3, 2, 1, lift off. And then I also enjoyed the page where the robot comes out because orange is my favourite colour and the robot is so cute. Rilo the robot. Until next time, bye-bye now.